Are they trying to eat it? Are they trying to eat it? Eat the queen out? Eat the queen? Or do you have to do this?
So this is a drone right there.
There, you got it.
He's real big and fat, and he's got cute eyes right here.
Wait, is that it?
Yep. And these are the female workers that hitched a ride. There's our 2 packages of bees. And
okay, this is the bee day. Lars?
Hi. Hi. Sophia.
And Sophia.
Look how big my hand is.
Mm-hmm. Okay, let's see what the bees are doing.
Good, watch this.
And attached to this little thing will be the where the queen is. So I'm going to try to coax this out.
I see that.
Gosh, it is full.
Is it heavy?
Yep.
What is
All right,
in
here
the
comes queen number 2. Try to get her out. Take them off. This one has a cork in it, so I'll get a little screw. So this one here, you can see has a cork in it,
Where's my
and
don't put them.
so that they can't. Oh, that's the corked end, and here's the candy end. You can see they've started eating it already, a little bit. You can see our queen in there again. She's marked with the yellow dot.
I can barely see her.
We need to name her.
Sally. Joe. Lars, it's a girl. Sally. Then if it's a girl.
All right, so I'm going to take the queen, slide her underneath the. Oops, sorry, buddy. No, don't get me. I didn't mean to.
He's his red coat.
We're going to put it this way, and that way they can eat the candy, and they'll be eating this way, and the hive will be eating this way.
Are they gonna? Now that we left that beehive.
All right, now I'm going to do the other method, which is what I've seen most people do, and that is just to shake them in there and then lay the box out and let them all end up going where they need to. All right, go ahead and start. All right, here we go.
I don't see a lot of bees coming out.
I don't want to crush any of the little guys, or little girls, I guess.
Oh my gosh. That is all bees. You're just dumping them out? Yeah, it looks like water.
set this out front, kind of pointed towards the hive.
Those are all bees.
Here, come over here and look down in there. With the camera. Alright, let's stand back just a little bit. Yeah, go ahead and they'll go ahead and find the queen, hopefully. And I can't get these last guys out, so I'm just going to let them try to get out on their own. Go ahead and put it right next to the entrance.